The Matrax 4x4 HD and LD flooring systems are designed to provide operators and owners the flexibility to configure installations that fulfill the requirements of individual events to protect the turf and to accommodate all aspects of the build. For large installations, using a combination of LD and HD panels, build joints are required to ensure integrated transitions. For HD and LD combinations, a build joint consisting of a combination of standard Matrax male and female ramps will be utilized at the HD and LD transition interface. While the HD and LD panels are similar in dimension and will lock together in small quantities, a joint will be needed for runs greater than 4 panels. For non-combination HD or LD installations, build joints may be deployed as a matter of operator or handler method, or to compensate for misalignment. The metrics associated with each build site will dictate which methods are needed for a successful build. For installation of both HD and LD build joints, the start of the joint will occur along the leading or female edge of the row of panels that have been installed. Pairs of male and female ramps are needed to create the joint. The first step is to lock male ramps in place along the entire length of the leading female edge. Next, a fresh row of panels will be placed along the leading edge of the ramps. As before, the female edge of the panel will be placed in the direction of the build. The row of panels will be placed along the lower edge of the installed ramp, so that the male edge hangs tapered to the end of the ramp. A row of female ramps is attached to the male end of the newly installed row. The tapered end of the newly installed female ramp will be facing the opposite direction of the build. Connect a row of female ramps to the male edge of the panel and place over the existing row of ramps to create the transition. Once the joint is installed, it may be necessary to screw down some of the raised edges to ensure a level surface. Ramps can be screwed down at the corners directly into one another using 1-inch long screws. Build joints can also be implemented as a procedure to correct misalignment. The joint allows the installer to start a fresh row to reorient the direction of the build if needed. It can be thought of as a straightening technique. For additional installation best practices and methodologies, consult the installation handbook or view the Matrax installation video in the resources section of our website at matraxinc.com.